Quite often, everyday people have financial struggles, different worries. Can I pay this bill? Can I pay that bill? Oh my gosh, my checking account is overdrawn. Something was deducted automatically and I wasn't aware it was coming out. Or something was supposed to have canceled but the payment came out. What do I do? Well, I hear this from people so frequently, and I really wish I could help them all out, but I just can't. But we live in an area in Florida that we have a lot of winter residents, affectionately referred to as snowbirds, or my friend Rena used to call them featherheads. I don't know where that came from, but it was funny. I don't care who you are. But rather than panic over something you can't control, just maintain your peace and focus on what's coming ahead. The money will come. Your financial frustrations and difficulties will go away. And if you can get ahead, then do that. Pay a couple bills ahead, or put some money in the bank ahead. Try and get 2 or 3 months ahead in the bank, a little bit at a time, but it happens. I didn't know how I was going to pay my car payment last month, and lo and behold, and I don't know how this happened, I had put enough money in the bank ahead for an extra month, so it was covered, and I'm so thankful for that. And I have such peace knowing that I'm trying to stay focused on keeping my finances in order, and hopefully that can be an inspiration to somebody else to keep theirs in order as well. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a Piece of Me moment. Have a peaceful day.